Today we are entering the Blob Universe and opening up a bunch of plushies from the new Moriah Elizabeth Blob Universe line. I'm going to be unboxing 9 of these mini mystery plush, 6 of these big mystery plush, and 1 of these Starla mystery surprise boxes that contains either 3 or 4 baby blobs. Before I get started unboxing, I would just like to say a huge thank you to Banter Toys and Collectibles for sending me all the Blob Universe plushies you see here today. If you would like to get your own Blob Universe plushies, the range is out now at Target, Big W, Toymate, Toyworld, Mr. Toys Toyworld, and loads more great retailers. Okay, now I want to get started with this giant blob we see here. This big blob is named Starla, and the idea of this pack is that inside Starla there are either 3 or 4 mini blobs. And you can probably guess I'd really like all 4. These are the 4 mini blobs you can get. They are blobby versions of some of Moriah's iconic characters. We have Derp, Pickled Pink, Pickle, and Burp. And they all just look so cute. Let's open up Starla and see what she's got for us. So here is Starla. She feels really weighted. Hopefully that means there are 4 baby blobs inside. Let's take a look at her beautiful design first. So she has a dark blue color to match the vibes of the Blob Universe, with a beautiful rainbow moon over her eye. She looks a little concerned. She kind of looks like she is the whole universe. If we look on the back, you can see some pretty stars, but more importantly, we have Velcro here. And we have the mini blobs inside. Okay, so first of all, it's Pickle. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. He is such a tiny little baby. He's so round. He's such a blob. So we can see the distinctive pickle features on him. He's got cute eyes and a dino nose, then pickle spikes, and of course he's got the very important pickle spooches. Honestly, I think this is one of the cutest things I own. Now I did also see peeking out that we have a Derp blob. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful Derp. Such a happy little guy. He's got his splooches, he's got big rosy cheeks, and he's got these beautiful spots down his back as well. Pickle and Derp look so cute together. Now I could see that there was a pink one, but I don't think... Oh my goodness, we do have a pink one, and can you see that back there? We got all 4. Thank you, Starla, that is just so kind of you. Look at these beautiful little babies. We have Pickled Pink, she's got rosy cheeks, she's got dino spike, and she's got her Pickled Pink splooches as well. They are very happy to be reunited after a whole 2 minutes apart. Then I absolutely love this Burp blob. He just looks so happy. He's got the rosy cheeks. Once again, he's just so round and he is just so cute. You can see he's got rainbow splotches all over him. There's his dino spikes, his little yellow tail. What a beautiful little guy. Now I think Starla is kind of like the mascot for the whole Blob universe, probably why she looks so worried. Moriah Elizabeth is planning on making over 10,000 blobs, and that's a lot of blobs to take care of. Okay, Starla and baby blob. You can sit here, and I am next going to open these mystery plushies here. So here is the mystery box for our mini Blob Universe plushies. So if we look on the top here, we have this beautiful piece of art by Moriah. You can see Starla in the middle there. We've also got Pickle and Derp on the side, and then a bunch of new blobs for us to meet around here. Now if we look on the side here, we can see 4 of the possible designs we can get, and then on the other side, there are another 3 possible designs we can get. So I'm pretty sure there's a total of 7 designs, which means hopefully with this case I will get all 7 and then probably 2 doubles. Let's find out who our first blob is. It is the bee blob, and oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's quite a bit bigger than the baby blob. The bigger size means that we have so many beautiful details on the blob. So obviously this is a bee design. We've got different different stripes here. He's also looks like he's a fuzzy bee. He's got lots of little fuzz marks around. And we've got these cute bear ears. Wait, I just realized this isn't a bee design. This is a bear bee design. So half bee, half bear, all cute. Especially cute with these wings on the back. I also have to point out how cute his face is. Look at the little embroidered details, the little lights in his eyes, and his adorable smile. Now, I threw the box away without even looking at the guide. Ooh, interesting. So here is what the guide looks like. You can see 7 designs that we're going to unbox today, and then there's also a coming soon section. So this one, oh, he's called Bear Bee. That makes sense. His bio says he's all about honey, happiness, and rolling through grassy fields. And he also gives the coziest hugs. Thank you, Bear Bee, for being here. You can sit there. I think his flying could still use some practice. Let's open up the second blob. The second blob we are meeting is a green one. It is a big version of Pickle. Blob Pickle and baby Blob Pickle together. So interestingly, this Pickle's features are all embroidered. This one's are printed on. So it's just flat fabric all printed on. And then this one has beautiful embroidered eyes, embroidered nose, also embroidered splooches. He still has his dino spikes, that is printed on, and the little rosy cheeks are also printed on. But his stomach is sewn out of a different piece of fabric, which is different to this one that just has its stomach printed on. So they're quite different in how they're made, but they're both super cute. The third Blob Universe plushie of today I am opening up is, if I could get this box open, the third one is a blue one, is the big Derp. Here is mini Derp compared to baby Derp. Like the Pickle, he's got a lot of embroidered details on him, embroidered splooches, oh that's so nice, embroidered smile and eyes, even embroidered little freckles. And his little spikes down the back, they are printed on. His stomach is a different piece of fabric, so pretty similar to the differences of the Pickle. And also similar in how cute they look together. Okay, for this one, I want to do a feeling test. So I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to try and feel which blob it is. Okay, it feels like a blob. It just feels blobby. I really can't feel any like distinguishing features. It just feels round. It's kind of like Starla. Oh, it is Starla! It's baby Starla. So we have 2 sizes of Starla, slightly different from the other 2 sizes I've been looking at. Still so adorable. The design is very similar. We've got the galaxy blue, we've got the rainbow moon. They both have the little embroidered star. Wow, that's really intimidating, isn't it? I feel a bit nervous. I feel like I'm being watched. Oh, I was so excited to get the mini blobs out of here. I didn't notice that on the back of Starla, she has another moon with another embroidered star. That is a very pretty part of the design. Oh my goodness, they look so funny sitting there together. They really are like the guardians of the galaxy. Like, look at them. They are taking their job seriously. Okay, time for mystery blob number 5. Can you see who it is? Can you tell? It looks a bit pink, but there's no pink blob. Maybe it's velvet? Maybe it's the red one? Oh yes, it is the red one. I got confused because she looked so different from her box picture, but it's just because her bow was behind her ears. There we go. Now we can appreciate how cute this design is. So this is velvet. She is a red velvet cat, and she has the adorable accessory of a pink bow with a strawberry in the middle. So cute. She has a super cute face. Honestly, she looks a little bit concerned too. Maybe she helps Starla look after the galaxy. She also has a bunch of fuzzy marks around her, and then on the back she has this super cute long tail. Let's read about Velvet. So she is known for having the softest fur around. The coloring looks like a red velvet cake. Yeah, I did think about that. Time to open up mystery blob number 6. Now I was just thinking that I haven't opened any doubles yet, so I might have just cursed myself. I'm preparing for this to be a double. Is it a double? Yes. Not only is it a double, it's a double of the cat we just opened. It's okay though. I feel like she would appreciate a friend. But somehow this one looks even more worried than this one. It's okay though. They both now have a friend. They can manage the worries of life together. Opening up box number 7. Still hoping to get Naked Christopher and the new orange blob. Oh, orange! Here we go. Oh my goodness. This guy is so cute. So this blob is actually named Gummy Blob. You can see she has a whole bunch of cute embroidered stars on her. I think she is the happiest blob of all the ones I've opened. Look at that face. She's just so joyous. I love her little rosy cheeks and her ears. They're so cute. You know what? I feel like maybe she could adopt these cats and hopefully some of her joyful energy will rub off on them. There are only 2 boxes left and unfortunately I haven't yet opened up the purple one. Okay, we got 2 boxes. Come on, Naked Christopher. Oh no. Oh no. Can you see that? That is a little bit of orange to show. This is not Naked Christopher. It's another gummy. I mean, maybe I kind of predicted that with the 2 cats. Now they have an owner each. I guess they will need a lot of joy to cover that level of worry. But now I have a high level of worry because I have 1 box left and I don't have the purple blob. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to pray to Starla, the ruler of the universe, that this is Naked Christopher. Is that purple? I can't tell. Oh, thank goodness. It is our beautiful purple blob. The last mini blob to open up and oh my goodness. He looks nervous. That is exactly how I felt when I opened up the second gummy. But it is okay because we have each other now. So, Naked Christopher here. Very beautiful little guy. He's got frosting on his little blobby arms and a big dollop of frosting on his head. He's also got a cherry on top and then there are lots of beautiful rainbow sprinkles in his design as well. So that is all the mini plush. Now we get to open up the big plush. So I have 6 of these bags and on the back I can see 4 different designs and one of them is Naked Christopher. He better be in here. The other designs I can get is another Starla. I wonder how she'll be different from that Starla. Then we can also get Miss Kitty who looks adorable. I hope I get her. Then we can also get a blob version of Georgie the pineapple duck. I would really love to get all of them, but my #1 hope is Naked Christopher. I've got 6 bags. Hopefully I can get all 4 designs. The first design is actually Naked Christopher! My beautiful purple blob in a beautiful big size. Look at us, 3 purple besties. We're just so happy. His design is very similar to the mini one, but it's just bigger in every way. Bigger arms, bigger frosting, bigger cherry, bigger sprinkles, bigger hugs. I still like your small hugs too. Well, I guess he heard how worried I was when I had to wait 9 boxes for the mini one that he decided to jump out of the first bag. Let's see who's in the second big bag. Hopefully, I'll get the full collection. But hey, if I get a few doubles of Naked Christopher, I'm not too worried. Who is it? Oh, someone different. It is Starla. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. We have the most beautiful Starla family. As you can see, she's actually quite a different size from this one. It's kind of like those really cool stacking dolls. And honestly, okay, I can't really fit this one inside. This one, however, she does fit inside. I've got a Moriah version of the stacking dolls. So yes, beautiful Starla family is reunited. She has all the same design features, embroidered star on the front, embroidered star on the back, beautiful galaxy markings. And you know what? I think they all look slightly less concerned with the new Starla here. They've got one more Starla to help look after the galaxy. Maybe she can watch from here. There are a lot of aliens up here. Okay, 3rd bag. I've already got 2 out of 4 designs, so I'm doing very well. I'm going to take the time to do a feeling test for this one, hoping for the Rainbow Kitty or Georgie. Ooh, that feels like a Rainbow Kitty. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing ever. Not only is she rainbow, but she has purple embroidery on her face. It's so stunning. Her face is so cute. And then on the back, she has a purple tail too. Look how cute this tail is. We got light purple and dark purple. It's so long and so soft. These plushies are all so soft. I don't know what fabric Moriah plushies are, but they are the softest plushies ever. Oh, she also has little purple claws embroidered on her arms. She's got very cute pink ears. There's embroidery there, and then a slightly darker pink there. And she also has the stripes over here, and they actually go the whole way around. Then this bit, this is what I felt when I was doing my feeling test. It is a fluffy cloud that she sits on and floats around. You know what would be really cool? If I somehow could display her like up high, like hanging from the roof. Okay, there's gotta be a Georgie on one of these, right? Big mystery plush number 4 is... it's another Starla. That's okay. She can join the Starla family. She can help watch over the universe. Thank you, Starla, for helping look after all my plushies. The next bag. I'm gonna do a feeling test for this one. Okay, who is it? Who is it? Oh no, I could feel the fluffy cloud. Okay, I really love Rainbow Kitty. I don't mind having a double of her. You know, it would look really cool if I had 2 Rainbow Kitties hanging from the roof, but no Georgie inside. And that means I do only have 1 bag left. Okay, I've opened up 2 Miss Kitties, 2 Starlas. I've only opened up 1 Naked Christopher. I wouldn't mind a second Rainbow Christopher, but I would really like to complete the set. Okay, who is it? I've got my eyes closed again. That feels different. Yes! Oh my gosh, yes! What a perfect end to this video. We got all 4 of the big plush. We've actually got every single different Blob Universe plush that I could have got today. Thank you so much to Banter Toys for sending all these to me. The video's not quite over yet. We have to have a beautiful look at our beautiful blobby duck. So we can see all of Georgie's iconic features. We've got the leaves on here. We've got the duck beak and his cute smile, his adorable eyes, his orange duck feet, and then of course the beautiful pineapple pattern going over his body. He's also got a little embroidered belly button. He's got his embroidered hair here. What a beautiful day to be a part of the Blob Universe. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing all these Blob Universe plushies. Make sure you check out the Blob Universe series on Moriah Elizabeth's channel. It is one of my favorites. And make sure you also check out your local Big W, Target, Toymate, Toyworld to try and find some of your own Blob Universe plushies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you with more plushies soon. Bye!